Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I did not know that I could love my kitchen this much, but this amazing backsplash from StyloVue has made my kitchen go from blah to yeah. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the little reflective silver pieces, and it was so easy to install. I just had to make sure that my walls were clean and prepared, and then I was ready to go. They were very easy to measure out, even though it seems like all the walls in my house are uneven for some reason. These peel and stick tiles were so easy to use that my whole backsplash was done in a morning, and that includes moving my stove and cleaning out the accumulated disgustingness under there. I was a little worried that my outlet covers wouldn't go on as smoothly as they did against the wall, but to my surprise, the outlet covers went on very well, and I was able to plug in my Alexa and rock out while I finished the rest of my wall. Another thing that I absolutely love about these is how easy they were to measure out. And like I said, my walls are uneven for some reason, but I could simply bend these back and measure out the length that I needed and cut them back to the size that I wanted, and they fit perfectly on my wall. That was super handy around the outlets and the little section where the cabinets and the microwave don't quite meet up. You can even take individual tiles and cut them out and place them where you need them. I decided to turn some of them in different directions and kind of make this sporadic pattern for my backsplash, and I absolutely loved the way it turned out. I also really like how strong the adhesive is. I've had this backsplash up for about a month and it's holding up very well. So well, in fact, that I want to get another style to put in my bathroom. So if you're ready to glam up your kitchen, bathroom, or any other creative place you can think of, I highly recommend these peel and stick tiles from StyloVue.
And that's my point of view.